This is Small Blocks, Big Dreams. Small producers launch event. There's something going on. It starts with the soil, goes into the food.
And anyone who grows food, and I don't know if you're already growing food or you want to get into growing food, it isn't rocket science. It really isn't. It's way more complex than that.
So Small Blocks Big Dreams is about small properties. You could have a 5-acre property, you could have a 50-acre. It's a partnership with Landcare. This is a land stewardship project. We've done some social research and we know that we've got increasing numbers of small properties.
What is constantly coming up all the time is that word soil. It is a buzzword.
There can be up to 10 billion living things in 1 teaspoon of healthy soil. So soil really is alive. It really is living. It's a living, breathing superorganism.
Diversity, in income, in livestock.
I'd be the first bloke that'll sit up here and say that I was an accidental farmer.
We have 2 big paddocks basically and an orchard at the back.
Soil just cares what it needs, and what we need from soil is food and fibre.
I believe that this little area we have here could potentially be a food bowl.
And we've experimented with lots of different things, but the soil will tell you if it's happy and your vegetables will tell you as well.